how to boost your Google Ads ROI with 3 simple tips. In this video, we'll explore 3 straightforward yet effective tips to maximize your return on investment with Google Ads. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketer, these tips will help you get the most out of your advertising budget. Firstly, focus on keyword optimization. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify the most relevant and high-performing keywords for your campaign. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find terms that your potential customers are searching for. By targeting the right keywords, you can attract more qualified leads and reduce wasted ad spend. Secondly, make sure to utilize ad extensions. Ad extensions enhance your ads by providing additional information that can improve click-through rates. You can include links to specific pages on your website, display your business address, or add a phone number for immediate contact. This extra information not only makes your ad more informative, but also more enticing to potential customers. Lastly, continuously monitor and adjust your campaigns. Regularly reviewing your campaign performance can provide valuable insights into what's working and what needs improvement. Use Google Ads Analytics to analyze metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per click. Adjust your bids, targeting, and even add copy based on this data to ensure optimal performance. These simple yet effective tips can significantly enhance your Google Ads ROI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more tips to help improve your online marketing strategies.